Dear colleague, I am here to tell you about a new course we've been doing only for a few years, and it's called CADplus. All of us would love to be able to do the best porcelain veneers possible using, totally layered porcelain with a master ceramist. That would be the dream, right? But we know that with technology, things can be simplified. And we designed CADplus as a porcelain veneer course, but in which we are focusing on the chairside approach. So if you are big in CAD/CAM dentistry, if you have a CAD/CAM system in your office, a chairside milling machine in your office, this course is really for you. It is a dedicated veneer course that will explore how to make those chairside ceramic veneers look amazing with your own craftsmanship. So we will focus on the e.max system that has a very nice palette of possibilities and use the micro-layering technique. Of course, we will, in the theoretical part, look at all the possibilities that we have to customize e.max veneers chairside with the paint-on technique, with a minimum cutback, or with more customization options. And then we will do a micro-layering exercise. So this is really ceramics for the dentist, but if you are a dental technician, you are welcome to. Actually, you will also benefit from this course. So I'm looking forward to see you at CADplus.